Hello, my name's Sean, welcome to this brand new channel. First project, putting this Wilkinson anvil on this wooden base. Let's go. Right, let's have a quick bit of a backstory behind how we've got to this point. A couple of years ago I got this Clark anvil from family. It was a Christmas present as I wanted to get into the hobby, learning how to blacksmith. And a lot of people ask, oh, what's the cheapest way? Pop yourself down to somewhere like Machine Mart or somewhere like that. You can pick these up fairly cheap and they do the job. It doesn't matter if you damage it. I think they're about 50 quid. Double check, prices will have changed in a couple of years, but you know, it's a great place to start and learn. I've made a few small bits and pieces on here, and the only reason why I've upgraded to this is this popped up. I picked it up pretty much a year ago to the day, actually. I've just checked, and the price was right. You know, this was what I would consider to be quite cheap, and looking at the faces, I would say, if I move things about a little, I would say that that's in fairly good condition. So, right, backstory done. Let's get this on the wooden post. Right, watch me put me back out. Before I put this on there, yesterday I did try my best to straighten up the top and bottom. Unfortunately, the floor of my shed's not level, so I'm going to do the best I can with what I've got. Right. Right, I'm thinking somewhere like that will do fine. Right, I've pretty much got the anvil in a position that I am fairly happy with. What I'm going to have to do, obviously, so it'll be an angle iron there, and then obviously pieces there and there, one way or another way round to secure the anvil. I will put done some research, some silicone under the anvil. That also helps out take out some of the ring, and I've got some metal chain somewhere. We'll attach that as well. So, being as I've got my lines, when my threaded bar comes down, I am going to have to cut some of this top piece out. Now, the tool I'm going to use for the job is this. So, give me a minute. Oh, there we go. As far as I'm aware, that's everything I need to do now. So what I've done is I've channeled out here, front and back. That way the angle iron can sit in. So, put the anvil back on. Oh. Sitting alright. So, hopefully, homeward-ish stretch. So I need to cut 4 bits of angle iron to go here, 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 here. A couple of bits of threaded bar, drill a bunch of holes, and we should be almost done. So, angle iron. Meter long piece, bought from a local hardware store. Very big chain. I've lost my pencil now. Oh. So, hopefully the pencil will show up on here. So we'll cut this into 4. Obviously, I wasn't brilliant at school, but turning the meter into 4, 25 centimetres each, I think. Right, let's get the angle grinder ready. Right, let's get this cut. Don't forget PPE, it's going to get loud. Rookie error. Always keep your grinder that way up. Right, that's all full cut. Let's work out where I need to drill some holes. Ooh. That didn't quite go to plan, did it? Going to have to buy a new mount, I think. Centre punched. Now let's drill. I can't imagine this is going to be an exciting watch. I need to find my centre punch marks, drill pilot holes, then drill out, because I'm using M10 threaded bar. So that's a good start. Right, 10 holes drilled, not 10, 8 10mm holes drilled. Let's cut the threaded bar and we'll see how this all pans out, shall we? Let's give it a go. Right, as you'll be able to see, threaded bar is cut, everything fits. I have done a trial run trying to bolt it all together. And as you can tell, something didn't fit properly because the floor is absolutely covered now in sawdust, which I'm going to enjoy sweeping that up in a little while. So basically, Anvil's on the ground. I've cleaned the base up. It literally just is silicone, Anvil on, bolt it down, bit of chain. We're getting to close. Let's get finished. I put that? Oh no, I've lost me nut. Oh. Thankfully, I have spares. That has taken far longer than it should have. So, let's find a hammer ever so quickly. How's the ring? I'm not actually going to go with the chain at the moment. I'll stick with this and we'll see how it goes. Happy with that. So, hopefully you've enjoyed this. If you have, give us a subscribe, because obviously I'm planning on doing more. Next project is, I've got a leg vise in the corner with a bunch of metal to make a stand for it. So, fingers crossed, over the next week or so I'll get that done, because I do have a real world full-time job. So, I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Stay safe and all that other good stuff, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.